Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Mad Mike here for those that are new to the channel. Right guys, it's hot in Benidorm today, 32 degrees, and it's about 12:30. There we go. There's the Rose and Crown just over the road there, it's reopening pretty soon. I would have thought there's stuff going in there. I wouldn't think it'd be too long before they reopen. But let's go and have a look what else is reopening. Somebody was telling me about some Indian up here, Marcus. What's it about the Indian up here?
Apparently there's a new Indian up there.
A new Indian by Bobby's Bar. Bobby's Bar doesn't look like it's open yet. Last time I looked, it didn't look like it was going to open, but we'll see how it goes. Is this place open? Is this Indian then, Marcus? Any idea? Yeah, I'll go looking for the Indian now, see what it's like.
Cafe Daddy. I think that's it. Cafe Daddy.
Where are we? This one here, yeah? Oh, I see it, yeah. There you go, guys, must be open at night. Reckon you can get curry in here, so I've been told. Me myself prefer Alibaba's, of course. They know what curry I like up there. I know just how I like it. But we might give it a try one of the nights. Yeah, give it a go. So that's, I take it that's just open at night. Okay, we'll go a bit further on then. I was saying guys, most of the bars and restaurants are back open now. Even the English strip is starting to open up now. Not that many English over here, but there you go. Okay then, we're going to go back up this way. I've been up this way a couple of times this week. Where are we? No we won't, we'll go along to the end. I've been up there a few times. So the building work's getting on pretty well with this big place, wherever it is.
I think it's some sort of cultural museum.
Yeah, cultural centre we think. Marcus was asking about this on his video the other day and nobody seems to come back with an answer.
That's the only answer I've got.
I think it does say something on the front. We're going to have a look. We're down there.
Centro Cultural at Benidorm.
Yep. It looks like an hotel to me, but there you go. There's plenty of glass there and I've been working on this for a few years, so see how it goes, guys. We're going to see which of these videos go better, get more views. The ones that I'm talking a lot on, or the ones that I'm not talking at all on. And then we'll do them videos, I think. At the moment I'm really short on the views. Won't last forever guys, I'm telling you. We'll be there, we'll be back. We'll get my other channel up eventually as well. Benidorm Bull. If you haven't subscribed to that, go and check that out. Might be moving one of the live streams over there as well. A couple of weeks. We're not going to do it now. Oh dear, which way do we go there? We'll go up this way, yeah. There we go. Lights just changed for me, brilliant. Thank you very much, lights. And now we're going to have a look and see if we can find out any more about this place. Huge place it is. Come on, Marcus. Alright. There we go, Marcus found the board. That's not the board, guys. We'll get up the head of it. There we go.
It's got a big auditorium type thing.
There you go, even more mystery now. Which way?
From what I've seen, they meant to be doing like shows, lectures, plays.
You know what I reckon it is?
Stuff like that. But,
you know, like you get in the UK, you get them training schemes. You know, if you're going to be a builder, you go on this training scheme.
Oh yeah.
I reckon that's what this is.
Maybe.
It's one of them big training scheme things.
Yeah, maybe.
That's why it's taken a few years to do. You know where you learn all your bricklaying, your plumbing, your electrics. That's the way to do it. Your head price. No, it's not that tall. About 4 or 5 stories. Pretty small for Benidorm. Okay guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Maybe I should talk a bit more on the videos, a bit stronger. Yeah, well, we'll get at it anyway. Let me know if you like them, if you don't, well, can't please everybody. Well, it's down there. What's that bar called, Marcus?
Cheap and cheerful.
Cheap and cheerful, that's it. We weren't doing a lot in there last time we went in, but I'm sure they'll be back on the food and stuff very, very soon. There we go. So we're going to carry on up this way. Zoom it down again. Carrying up this way now, just go up to the top and turn. Right, I think, yeah. Why not? Scooter shop here. Get all your scooters. Maintenance shop there, I think. So I'm going to be getting a new camera very soon. We'll have to look into that. I want to do more of the videos where you can't see I'm filming so much. I think sometimes people start waving, and which is all good, I don't mind it at all. But if you get down on the beach or somewhere, it looks a bit naff if you've got a big camera trying to film people. That's where we want to go, I think. Show you some of them before summer's over. So probably the end of the month we're going to get the new camera. Little shop there. This bar in the corner is usually a really busy bar. We call it, Marcus? Backstage. It's usually pretty busy here. I haven't got the tables out, I don't know why. It closed up for a bit, I don't know. Do find that with a lot of bars at the moment, they're closing up. I don't know whether they're just trying to get their holidays in or what's going on. So guys, got the Volvo garage here. Didn't know Volvo made bikes. An Autumn in there, in the front there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. the sun. Hopefully you can see that. Used to make them where I used to live in Greenwich, in the Enfield estate.
Oh, bit of history.
Yeah, I've got a little bit of history, Marcus. You don't get 60 years old without having a little bit of history.
Oh,
It's just what you can remember then, isn't it, guys? Oh, they used to make the Norton and the Enfield down there. Royal Enfield. Okay guys, don't forget to like the video. Boys, if you want to watch any more from Benidorm, watch one in the card now, and we'll see you on the next one guys, bye.